How to choose the top Gold IRA companies for TSP rollover in 2025. Rolling over a Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, into a Gold IRA can be a wise step for diversifying retirement savings and protecting wealth from inflation. Yet, the decision depends on choosing the right custodian. In 2025, competition among providers is strong, but the best firms stand out through trust, transparency, and expertise. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the key factors to consider. 1. Check regulatory compliance. Work only with companies approved by the IRS and governed by strict financial standards. Compliance ensures your TSP rollover follows tax rules and avoids penalties. 2. Review reputation and ratings. Examine reviews, industry rankings, and Better Business Bureau scores. Top Gold IRA companies consistently demonstrate credibility and long-standing customer trust. 3. Look for TSP rollover experience. Not all firms understand the complexities of federal retirement accounts. Select a custodian with proven experience guiding clients through TSP to Gold IRA rollovers. 4. Verify storage security. Your gold must be stored in IRS-approved depositories. Leading companies offer insured, segregated storage with strong audit controls. 5. Compare fees. Transparent pricing is essential. Evaluate setup, storage, and annual fees. Hidden costs reduce long-term portfolio value. 6. Test customer service. Choose a firm with knowledgeable, responsive support. Quality service ensures clear guidance during the rollover process and beyond. 7. Understand buyback programs. Reliable companies offer fair, straightforward buyback options so you can liquidate holdings when needed. 8. Check metal options. The best firms provide a range of IRS-approved precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, and palladium, to strengthen diversification. A TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 can be seamless when working with the right custodian. By weighing compliance, reputation, costs, and service quality, you can select from the top Gold IRA companies that safeguard your retirement savings and fortify long-term financial stability. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.